Mark Berberan has 4 points in the ballgame. So that's quality minutes coming off the bench. Boy never giving up, even though he sat down most of the games at the start of this conference.
And Alaska, courtesy of Borboran, comes within 4 points. Here's a penetration. Tough angle to Westwood. And it's taken away by Hugnatan.
It's one thing that Alaska can always rely on. It's their defense, making stops when they have to.
Tough angle.
Para kasi ang sikip ng lugar pag dumaan ka ng baseline. Parang kaya naiilang ang mga player.
Yung excuse me move mo no?
Naiilang ang player pag daan mo sa baseline. Parang ang sikip, parang tatama ka na doon sa labas.
Lalo din sa venue na ito. In the meantime, LA says, let's slow down the pace. Let's not run with Barangay Ginebra here. LA says, I got it.
Yeah, there's a back.
Yep, by down.
Again, LA making Big Daddy proud here. Coming up with a possible 3-point play, a 6-0 run here by Alaska. And they're just down by 2 with a 3-point play coming up here for LA Tenorio. Tignan mo si, nag-go under itong si Hector Brand. Pinalikan siya ni LA using the pick. And then he was bumped going to the basket.
LA Tenorio averaging 11.4 points per outing.
Actually, that guy can be a better scorer than that. But he loves to want to. I think what he's trying to say is, I'll play the point guard first. I'll get the points for my teammates. But if he really wanted to, yung talaga he'll take more shots.
Yung first option siya.
I mean, even not first, but I think
in the flow of things.
He wants to take more shots. He can easily do 15, 16 points at least a game. Una-una, may tira sa labas, mabilis pumasok at magaling mag-free throw. So, spate of errors here by the Barangay Ginebra Kings.
I think LA has just gotten used to the idea that he's been on star-studded teams a big chunk of his career, even in the PBL.
Well, some beda in juniors,
in the seniors, and here with
San Miguel. Ito, grabe itong rasyada ng Alaska dito. Remember, they were down by 8. Now they're on top by 1. They have another 3-point play coming up.
It's just a cool customer in the heat of battle here. Look at him find this way home. And we've got a 30-second timeout. Brought to you by, is it a plug? Yes, it is. Brought to you by Handicap. Ang first aid ng bakay mo, Banzol. Seals all.
Obligado ng kakawag ng timeout doon ng Barangay Ginebra. Ilang turnovers na sila. Tapos a couple of big shots here. Puro 3-point play coming up dito para sa Alaska Aces.
Suwaki Trillo ba ito nakatalikod?
Yeah, it's Suwaki. Right here, in red and white. Sabi niya ka-uniform niya.
Sabi niya, mainit ba't ako magkukumbata? Alam mo naman yan eh. Pwede ko nakitang biruin uli, Waki, hindi ka na chairman.
Maski ba chairman siya, pwede mong biruin.
Sige, okay. That's one of the funniest and most delightful friends we've had through the years. In the meantime, 36-35. Simpson taking care of the free throw. You know, Joel Bernal, the assistant to Tinko, was telling me in the social gathering, boy, we've got a good import. I hope that the NBA teams will find out about him.
37-35 for Alaska. Wala namang problema na ngayon. Dahil how many teams are there? That would have been a problem just before the start of the playoffs when they would give you 10-day contract. Right now, you cannot change your lineups anymore.
Wala na yan.
So, wala na yan.
Saka apat na team na lang natin.
Kaya nga yung mga nagtapos dyan sa mga D-League, they're available right now. Either to come here or come and go anywhere in the country. Dahil wala na silang ambition sa NBA until the July summer comes again. Tapos yun, they'd like to show up there. Baka mapili pa sila.
It's out for taking care of business from the long distance. He has a 7-point game.
Umusok bigla dito si LA dahil scoring-wise, saka yung mga pasa-pasa niya, yung mga creation niya, biglang napako dito ng Ginebra. They only got 1 point in the last few minutes. Pero Hector Brown coming to the rescue. Parang Lone Ranger.
Oh, Tonto, come on, let's go.
Hinahanap ko yung Tonto, yung partner niya. Ito sa kabila, yung nagdidepensa, naka-red. Nag-zone na dito ang Barangay Ginebra to take away the penetration. Tirahin niyo kami sa labas kung gusto niyo. Ito, ang ganda naman ng pasa. Binalik! Simpson, real hard worker and getting more comfortable with his game here in the PBA.
And with his teammates, 11 points in this game. Step back. Rattles away. Matigas na yung ring, ano?
Yan. Tapos may konting good positioning there. Ito naman si Cyrus. Yung mga alley shuffle niya. Buti hindi nahilo yung kalaban.
Dating kakampi, alam na yun. Long distance call. Nobody home.
That might have been the worst shot for Alaska in the state of all of their offense for the last 3 minutes.
Yes. This corner shot, it's up and out. It's on the ground.
Foul downstairs called by referee Bong Pascual. Another one of our tall referees. About a little over 6 feet siguro.
You know, it really helps also with magpakad yung referee na iba. No?
Well, you see a lot of things. And
you see eyeball to eyeball with a lot of
isa na yung parang sinasabi ng player, naglaro rin ito. So, pwede konting respeto dito. Paglaro na ito, maski na paano nakakaintindi na laro ito.
History is, especially Philippine basketball, complete with a lot of former players who became referees. In the meantime, hook shot. A hook pass, rather. A quick jump. Yes! Ambres feeling good.
Maayos naman ang laro ni Ambres. You know, he's taken good shots. Getting more comfortable with the team. 6 and 4 pareho ang win-loss card nitong dalawa.
Tatlo sila yung
kasama ng Derby Ace Llamados.
Almost a dangerous pass. Ball taken on. Here's the wide open Baguio shot. No.
Yun, that was set up by LA Tenorio. Ito, Kabila, 1-on-1. Gusto niya yan. Pero hindi naman pumasok ang tigas.
Hindi kumapang yung bola, no? Hindi tumalbog ng favor sa shooter. Oh! The circus back got caught in the air. And we're rushing. After picking it up immensely here. And here comes two players attacking each other. And Alaska gets there. This is the defense completing it.
Well, nung nagka-error ang Barangay Ginebra, hindi naman bumaba yung mga ibang player. You know, easily there should have been a 2-on-1 situation there against them. 4-point lead now for Alaska. I'm just missing that one. The follow-up will go to the free throw line.
And Foss looks like he may have committed this one. Foss with his third personal foul. And the players head back to their respective benches. But before we go into this break, let's take a look at this final pass, and that'll do it.
It doesn't get any better than this.
Okay, po kami ni Dr. J at ito po ang ating bakbakan kinisusugbo. 43-39 as the PBA goes on tour with Phoenix Fuel. And part and parcel of our tour this year. Na ito si Jason Webb, ginugulo si Leah Cruz na isang araw. Hindi ba Ambre yan?